सबसे पहले अम्मा अम्मा तो बस प्यार के भंडार है। प्यार से तो वो दिल से बात करती हैं, क्योंकि बुद्धि से नहीं, समवेयर मतलब आपके ये जो एरिया है हार्ट के साथ से कनेक्टेड है। अम्मा का काम सारा पूरा दुनिया को छू लेती है, जिसमें मुझे लगता है पशु पक्षी जानवर इंसान सब उसमें शामिल हो जाता है। यहाँ पर हम तो वृक्ष लगाने की भी बात होती है, सबको समेट के वो सब चीज़ से प्यार करते हैं। अपने कर्तव्य भी है, अपने व्यक्ति कैसे उभर सकते हैं, इस तरह की चीज़ पे बहुत ध्यान देने के लिए अम्मा ये जो प्रोग्राम करा रहे दुनिया भर में, मैंने सुना है कि 5-6 कॉन्टिनेंट इसमें अम्मा ये काम कराते, तो महान कार्यक्रम है। कोई सरकार नहीं सोच रहे हैं, अम्मा सोच रही है दुनिया के लिए।
I am here with Ragna ma'am to take this workshop from Ayudh. It's a pleasure to be here. It's such a honor to be working and teaching for such a fun group of.
It was really great to be part of the youth camp, and the association over here and the students over here were very great, and very grateful to Amari for making me a part of this camp, and hope the generation of today is the future for tomorrow. Thank you.
So therefore, Ayudh is a way of de-stressing people and also building bridges among them. So Ayudh provides us an opportunity, a platform to know each other better, integrate with each other, synergize with each other, and then carry forward certain activities of common good.
Youth is such a section of the society which have both energy and creativity. So Amma gives much of importance to such section where we can find both these qualities.
I'm very happy to be part of NIRMAN 19. Youth camps like this help in promoting a better world. It helps in instilling values that are much needed in today's youth, and it helps in encouraging youth and believing in themselves that they can make a difference and they can bring about the change that they want to see in the world. All the very best to all the children who have participated, and a big congratulations to the organizer.
Sure, I'm so very privileged to be part of this gathering, the group, and I think it is wonderful to connect with the youth, with the youngsters. So I take it as a big opportunity for me under the campus learning experience. Thank you so much for inviting me to this program.
I'm truly delighted to be here as part of the Ayudh program, and where Amma is inspiring our children, filling them with compassion, with values. And I thought that one of the ways to really communicate values is to talk about the armed forces and what they are doing, because they have to live the values that they talk about, and you have to prove those commitment to those values by even sacrificing your life if called upon to do so and more. So it's what experiences from the battlefield that I bring to put before the children. And in the Indian tradition, every time you teach, the students are supposed to bow to the teacher. But in the Japanese tradition, both the student and the teacher bow to one another, implying that every time I teach, I learn. So I hope to go back recharged, having faced the young, the raw energy of our youth, and also a little wiser, because every time I interact with the boys, I gain some, I give some, but I go back wiser, and I think that's the best part of this Ayudh program.
it's tough and every day is gray and black, but I'll keep on lifting you. Yeah, let me show you how to be a dreamer. Let me show you how to soak up the sun. You gotta keep walking on when you're a dreamer, and I know that we will soon overcome. Higher than high, higher than we ever knew that we could go. Maybe we'll fly farther than the stars ever thought they could know. It's all looking up now. It's all looking up now. We won't stop. It's all looking up now. Higher than high. We won't stop. Yeah, just coming up. Yeah, who knew? Now we are standing on top. Yeah, we've been coming up. Just coming up. Yeah, who knew? Now we are standing on top. Higher than high, higher than we ever knew that we could go. Maybe we'll fly farther than the stars ever thought they could know. It's all looking up now. It's all looking up now. We won't stop. When I hear you say it's hard to keep from looking back, sometimes I think that too. Yeah, I know it's tough